Need help with research? ChatGPT can help you understand complex topics, summarize information, organize ideas, create outlines, and explore new subjects more efficiently. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use ChatGPT for research in 2026. So let's get started. First, sign in to ChatGPT and click New Chat. Creating a separate conversation for each research topic helps keep your notes and questions organized. This makes it much easier to return to your research later. Next, write a detailed question about the topic you're researching. Include any specific areas you want ChatGPT to focus on, such as definitions, comparisons, historical background, or key concepts. Clear and focused questions usually produce better research results. If your account supports file uploads, add PDFs, reports, research papers, spreadsheets, or notes so ChatGPT can analyze the information and answer questions based on your documents. Working directly with your own reference materials often provides more relevant answers. Ask follow-up questions to explore the topic in more detail. You can request summaries, explanations, comparisons, outlines, or simplified versions of complex information. Take a moment to continue the conversation until you've covered everything you need. Use ChatGPT to organize your research into outlines, bullet points, study notes, reports, or structured summaries that are easier to review later. Organizing information while you research can save a lot of time. Before relying on your research, verify important facts with trusted sources, especially for academic, scientific, legal, financial, medical, or other high-stakes topics. So you've successfully learned how to use ChatGPT for research, and that's how to use ChatGPT for research. Whether you're studying, preparing reports, exploring new topics, or organizing information, ChatGPT can help make the research process faster and more efficient. The better your questions and supporting materials, the more valuable your research experience will be. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.